Hey there. Need to send money to a friend or pay someone back instantly? Sending money with Zelle in the Bank of America app is the fastest way to move money directly to someone's bank account using just their email or US mobile number. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. In your Bank of America app or online banking, go to Transfers and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll your email or mobile number. To send, choose a contact or enter their email/mobile number, enter the amount, and add an optional note. If the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle through their bank, they'll receive the money within minutes. My crucial pro tip? Only send money to people you know and trust. Treat Zelle like cash. Once you authorize a payment to someone, you may not be able to cancel it if it's to an enrolled user. Always double-check the recipient's information before hitting send. That's how you move money securely in seconds, straight from your banking app. Do you use Zelle regularly, or do you prefer other peer-to-peer apps? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on modern money movement, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.